Economic and non-economic activities are relevant as they provide comprehensive data for analyzing societal trends. Economic activities are quantified to assess financial health, whereas non-economic activities are measured to understand their impact on the quality of life. So, integrating both the activities offers a complete picture of human behavior, informing resource allocation and sustainable development strategies that balance economic growth and progress. Hello everyone, welcome to our Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vora, your instructor from Egypt, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing series for our subjects to give you an insight of our offered courses on our website that will help you prepare for CBSE and CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my free valuable videos. And if you like the content, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's get started. Hello everyone. We need to begin with the economic and non-economic activities in order to understand how is statistics relevant for economics. It is because economic activities involve exchange of money. Non-economic activities does not involve any exchange of money. So let us understand the difference between these two and their relevance for statistics as well as economics. Let's begin with the definition of economics. As a subject, economics is not very old and its origin can be traced to 1776 when Adam Smith's book An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nations was published. Later, there were no harmony in the definition of economics. Various definitions were developed and broadly divided into 4 parts. So first definition was given by Adam Smith. As per him, economics is the science of wealth. In ordinary language, wealth means money. But in economics, wealth means those goods that satisfy human wants. After a few years, Alfred gave another definition of economics, and according to him, the primary objective of economics is the promotion of material wealth, which is just a part of human welfare. Hence, economics is a study of man in the ordinary business of life. So it inquires how he gets his income and how he uses it. So the entire emphasis was shifted from wealth to welfare. Further, an improvement was made by Professor Lionel Robbins, emphasizing that economics is a science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. So according to him, scarcity is the root of all economic problems because humans face scarcity in their daily lives. Long queues for reservations and registrations, crowded trains and buses, shortage of essential goods, increasing prices of petrol, diesel are all manifestations of scarcity. So scarcity exists because wants are unlimited. Since resources are limited, allocation has to be done. So economics is selection of resources under the conditions of scarcity. Then later, Professor Samuelson has given a modified version of scarcity and suggests that economics is a social science and is concerned with not only one individual but how a society employs its limited resources for alternative uses. So one can conclude with the definition as given and used by many economists that economics is the study of how people in society choose to employ scarce resources that could have alternative uses to produce various commodities that satisfy their wants and to distribute them for consumption among various persons and groups in society. Moving on further, I'm sure you must have observed people around you. There are some people who go to office every day. You must have seen labor doing physical work, whether it is construction of a building or a road. You must have noticed sellers selling vegetables, retailers selling various goods, professionals who are working as doctors, engineers, teachers, and so on. All these human activities can then be broadly categorized as economic and non-economic activities. Economic activity is any human activity that is carried out in return for money. Creating, distributing, exchanging, and consuming products and services are all the examples of economic activities. So such activities are concerned with production, with consumption, with distribution of goods and services in order to earn a living, whereas non-economic activities are any acts that have no monetary motivation and are carried out with feelings of love, sympathy, or humanity. They are not concerned with the creation of wealth. They are not concerned with any monetary benefit. For example, a boy assisting an elderly man to cross a road, or a teacher offering education to own child at home. In both the examples, no monetary gain is involved. They are done just out of love and sympathy. Now assess yourself and identify whether the following activity is economic or non-economic in nature. A doctor curing her child from a viral fever. Yes, it's non-economic activity simply because the doctor is curing her child out of love and affection. No money is involved. Next, a doctor curing her patient from a viral fever. Yes, it is an economic activity because here the doctor charges the patient for her services. Now have a look at the next statement. Farmers grow vegetables for their consumption. Yes, it is non-economic because here there is no exchange of money. Vegetables are meant for self-consumption. Farmers sell vegetables in the market. Yes, it is an economic activity because here the money is involved in selling vegetables in the market. I hope you have understood the meaning of term economics and difference between economic and non-economic activities. Now we shall move on to the next video, which will be on meaning and scope of statistics. Till then, have a nice time and keep reading. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just Rs 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also, drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.